What is perimeter? The word peri in Greek means around and meter means measure. Therefore, perimeter means measuring around a figure. Remember, we can find the perimeter of a closed figure. So students, remember Gurleen ma'am told you closed figure and open figure in our previous chapter, shapes and angles. Now, let us take an example. Look at the figure I have drawn. If we start from A, move along AB, then BC, then CA. We reach back the starting point A. Only in a closed figure it is possible. Thus, the perimeter of this figure is AB equals to 3 cm, BC equals to 5 cm and CA equals to 4 cm. So, AB plus BC plus CA equal 3 cm plus 5 cm plus 4 cm. That is equal to 12 cm. Now, let us take another example. Look at the figure I have drawn. Here, if we start A, end up at D, we cannot come back at A. So, we cannot find its perimeter because it is an open figure. Next topic, perimeter of a square. So students, look at the figure I have drawn. What is this? It is a square. So square is a closed figure in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are right angles. Perimeter of square is equal to sum of all its sides. So here side is given A. So sum of all its sides A plus A plus A plus A. So 4 times A, write 4A. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Example, find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 meter. So here square is given whose side is 5 meter. We know that perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 5 meter equal to 4 5s are 20. 20 meter is the answer. So students, keep in mind the units. Example 2. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 40 meter. So we know that perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So according to this question, perimeter of square is equal to 40 meter. So 4 into side is equal to 40 meter. Side is equal to 40 divided by 4. 4 tens are 40. So side of square is 10 meter. Next topic, perimeter of a triangle. So students, look at the figure I have drawn. What is this? It is a triangle. A triangle is a plane figure with 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all 3 sides. So example, find the perimeter of a triangle having sides 6 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm respectively. So we know that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all 3 sides. 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 4 cm is equal to 15 cm. Last topic for today, perimeter of a rectangle. So students, look at the figure drawn. What is this? It is a rectangle. A rectangle is a closed figure that has equal opposite sides and each angle is of 90 degree. The longer side of a rectangle is known as length and shorter side is known as breadth of rectangle. So, perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus B plus B. So, 2 times L and B, that is 2 bracket L plus B. Example, find the perimeter of rectangle of sides 3 cm and 5 cm. So solution, we know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. So 2 into 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 8 cm. That is equal to 16 cm. So perimeter of rectangle is 16 cm. What is area? Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Area is measured in square units. So remember, we can find the area of a closed figure only. Now, units of area. Area can be expressed in square units such as number 1, centimeter into centimeter equals to square centimeter. Number 2, meter into meter is equal to square meter. Number 3, kilometer into kilometer is equal to square kilometers. So remember, smaller areas are measured in square centimeter and larger areas are measured in square kilometer. Next topic, methods to find the area. So there are 2 methods to find the area. Number 1, by dividing a region into unit squares and thereafter counting the unit squares. And the other is by using formula. Example, let us see how to find area of a simple closed region by counting unit squares. Now look at the square A, B, C, D. So it is divided into 25 equal squares of side 1 centimeter each. Thus, we say that area of square ABCD is equal to 25 square centimeter, or square centimeter can also be written as 25 centimeter square. Example 2. Let us find the area of the figure in square centimeter. Now look at the figure. Here each square is equal to 1 square centimeter and each half square equals to half square centimeter. Thus, on counting we get the given figure has 6 squares and 2 half squares. So therefore, the area of the given figure is equal to 6 plus half is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 square centimeter or 7 centimeter square. So while finding the area of plane figure by counting the unit squares, remember, number 1, we ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. Number 2, if a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Now, method 2, let us see how to find area using formula. So, area of rectangle can be found by using the formula area of rectangle is equal to L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of rectangle and A is the area. So let us use the formula. Example, find the area of rectangle where L is equal to 5 cm and breadth is equal to 3 cm. So solution, A is equal to L into B. This is the formula of rectangle. So L is 5 cm into breadth is 3 cm. So answer 5 3s are 15. 15 centimeter square. Area of rectangle is 15 centimeters square. Next question. Find the breadth of a rectangle whose area is 20 centimeters square and length is 5 centimeter. Solution, A equals to 20 centimeters square. L is equal to 5 centimeter. B is equal to question mark. So formula, A is equal to L into B. So A is 20 equals to L is 5 into B. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to B. 5 4s are 20. B equals to 4 centimeter. So answer, breadth of a rectangle is 4 centimeter. Next topic, area of square. Area of square can be found using formula. Area of square is equal to side into side, or A is equal to S into S, where S is equal to length of the side of square. Example, the side of a square garden is 30 meter. Find its area. Solution, side of a square is given 30 meter. Area of a square, write formula side into side. That is equal to 30 meter into 30 meter equals to 900 meters square.